Day 1 full body gentle stretch 15 minutes. So let's start. First, we will do deep breathing. So, open the mat and come to the position Sukhasana and start doing 4-second inhale and 6-second exhale. We will do for a few seconds. Just focus on breathing. Few more seconds. Three, two, one. Now we will do neck stretch. We will do neck stretching. Do on your comfortable. अगर पेन हो जाता तो रुक जाए और आराम से करें नेक स्ट्रेच को. पहले हम करेंगे साइड स्ट्रेच फॉर 10 राउंड्स and then rotate our neck clockwise and anti-clockwise. This is very important to warm up. Never skip this warm up. Three, two, one. Now next we will do shoulder roll. We will do for few seconds. 10 rounds of clockwise and 10 rounds of anti-clockwise. Three, two, one. Now next we will do cat and cow pose. This is very good for your spine. We will do for 1 minute. Just inhale and exhale. Three, two, one. Next, we will do child pose balasana for 1 minute. This is very relaxing exercise. This is also helpful in period pain for women. Three, two, one. Next, we will do downward facing dog. Hold it for 1 minute. This is very good for your hair. 3, 2, 1. Next, we will do low lunge. Hold it for 30 seconds, both sides. 3, 2, 1. Next, we will do mountain pose. Stand on the heel and just move like walking. Hands up. This yoga pose helps you to increase height. 3, 2, 1. Next, we will do half forward fold. Hold it for few seconds. 3, 2, 1. Next, we will do side stretch. 30 seconds both sides. pose, Bhujangasana, for 1 minute. Hold it for 1 minute. 3, 2, 1. Next, we will do butterfly pose. This is also very good for women health, relief from period pain. Hold it for 1 minute. 3, 2, 1. Next, we will do seated forward fold for 1 minute. Three, two, one. Now we will do Savasana corpse pose for 1 minute. You can hold it for 5 minutes after every yoga session. You can hold it for 5 minutes. This is all about day 1. We will meet in day 2.